Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Objects in mirror are losing. That's what it says on the mirror. I love it. This is a 1971 Plymouth Satellite Roadrunner Tribute. Look at this thing, how it's decked out with the colors and spoilers and scoops, and it's just a stunning looking car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll get all the specs, pricing, photos on this car and a few hundred other collector cars, and they're all for sale. So visit volocars.com. How about right now you take a couple minutes and join me for a test drive in this 71 Plymouth. It is a factory B5 bright blue car. The fender tag is still in place. I decoded the tag. It's, again, a bright blue B5 blue car, very desirable. The metal flake is all laid out evenly. The car is straight. All the panels fit really nice. The clear coat is very glossy. I love this white reflective stripe with the little Roadrunner, very sharp. Has the spoiler back here, has the, they call it chin spoilers up front under the bumper. Color keyed bumpers, sport mirrors, and door handles. Overall, the car is really sharp. I mean, you stand next to it, it's glossy, it's beautiful. I see one tiny little dimple right there. There's a little minor dimple there. And there's a little body work right here. There's a couple small little bumps, a tiny little bump there. You can tell there's some body work there. So it's not a perfect car, but again, stand next to it, it looks perfect. It's gorgeous. Windshield is new. Chrome wheels aren't brand new, but they're really nice. Tires look like they're new. Jambs are painted nice. New weather strips around the doors. Got the Roadrunner hood, the hood pins, the Roadrunner markings, blacked out grille. I sold this car in 2013. Bought it back from the people. They spent a few $1,000s upgrading mechanicals. I know it has a new power brake booster and master cylinder, a new distributor, wires, regulator. This is a factory air car as well, and it's all complete, it's all hooked up. It is a 318 engine. It's all stocked. Valve covers, manifolds, air cleaner. It all looks stock. Radiator has a proper shroud and fan, and the overflow bottle, or that might be a washer bottle. But everything's proper. Original fender tag. The number on the core support matches the VIN number of the car. Really clean. It looks like it's the original quarter panels. Under the mat, looks like it's original clean trunk floor. It's all painted blue in here. It's real nice gloss blue under the trunk and the jamb. It's got new weather strip. It's got the complete jack and spare assembly. So trunk compartment's real nice. Has a new rubber mat that fits real nice. All the upholstery's in really nice shape. There's no rips or tears. It's bucket seats with a console. So front and back seats, side panels, headliner, visors, all really nice. Not brand new, but all real nice. No rips, tears, nothing like that. The console, the steering wheel are not worn. The dash pad is excellent. The vents are nice. It has the factory hole for the radio, but there's no radio in there. I'm going to leave that for the next person to decide what they want to put in there. You can get a retro stereo. It fits right in the factory hole. New windshield. And the white really pops against the exterior. And we did put brand new carpets in there, new sill plates. Underneath the car is really solid. The floors, the frame rails, bottom of the doors look really nice. So it is a good solid car. I originally bought it in Kentucky before we sold it in 2013. It's got dual exhaust with Flowmasters, coilover shocks in back, disc brakes in front, has power steering. So So if you're just looking for a nice cruiser that looks the part, I mean, it's a sharp looking car. If you're not interested in 500 horsepower, it still has plenty of power to cruise down the road and sounds nice. Motor's smooth as can be. Yeah, it runs real nice. This one's affordable too. You got monthly payments that make this one really easy for anyone to own. So visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. We can answer all your questions, help with shipping, with financing, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see the videos as they come out. As always, I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for lots more to come.